You are going to love the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, daytime running lights, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, door courtesy lights.